right, guys, I'm gonna get this thing started off here. We're gonna get this thing rocking, okay, and going here in the meantime. And then we have another call that I'm gonna be doing here with Trade DNA here at 8 o'clock. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick call just because tonight we do have a call. It's going to be a Trade DNA call at 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna make this one a quick one because tonight we do have a massive call, okay? So this one's gonna be very quick. We're gonna be trading, okay? And then tonight's call goes live today, so just make sure you tune in to tonight's call, okay? If you're not in the Discord will be in there, okay? The link is right here, so you'll be able to tune into it. But tonight we're gonna be going over Trade DNA here, so just make sure that you're on this call. It's gonna be in about exactly 40 minutes. I'm gonna do a quick session here, and then we'll go in depth and break that down. So first things first here, let's check out news. Okay, we're gonna go here first on Forex Factory. Let's pull up Trade DNA here so we can have an idea of how everything is working now, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so the first thing here, let's look at fundamentals. I think fundamentals is gonna be huge. High impact news, obviously growing, as obviously affecting SPX. Let's look at calendars. Let's look at high impact news specifically for US dollar. Okay, today we had FOMC meeting in minutes. Let's look at just some notes here from that. I just want to take a look at what they're kind of saying here and what the news event was saying. Many of the Fed said its key rate would be unchanged below the 3.6 this year. Many also said that it's likely to be higher. Forecast released, submitted projections. So they're 50-50. Okay, concern for Fed Americans. Wow. It's 50-50, really. 50-50. I want to look at something today, specifically with SPX today. Let's look at what made my markets go downward here from yesterday. Loading up in news. Very curious. Stress level 7 out of 10. One day this will be updated here. Rate is still most likely staying the same here. Hold. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I'm expecting Dixie to continue on this upside swing here. 4-hour breaking. Ooh, this is good. It's actually good news for me. I don't want to buy. I was waiting for a run to the upside. This thing is going to sell off tomorrow. Big broke structure. Internal sells. With FOMC, it broke structure regardless. So what that means is what? This thing's going to sell off, man. Sell probably to here. So internal buy. You can expect SPX to sell off. If that's sold off, then yes, finally we'll get a sell with what do I say? US 30. I don't want to call any sales with US 30 yet. NAS looks more of a, talk about this as well, price coming down here, potentially selling off. If SPX is going down, so is NAS. Switching my bias here. This will sell off here. Come back down to the low side here. Russell, same thing. Russell broke structure. I need Russell to break more for me to consider it a way to sell. Looking for sells tomorrow here for ES. Sells tomorrow here for NQ. Gold volatility moving higher. Okay, let's look at gold here. This thing hit our zone. Swipe liquidity. Get back in this. I'm looking for buys here. Okay, guys? Swipe a liquidity at the low. I knew this would happen here. I want to get back in this. Not yet. On the next session. But I believe this is a buy. What a perfect buy at 11 a.m. Wow. Such a great buy. Look at that. An even better buy on the 4-hour because it swiped liquidity, all of that low here, and now it's running to the upside here. We want to look for gold buys. Look for a pullback here or here, and then expect gold buys. run like crazy to the upside. Gold is a tremendous buy. We're looking for buys here. As per USD CAD here, I want to see it pull down a little bit more before we start to buy. But USD CAD is an incredible buy here. The one thing I don't want to buy, the only reason I haven't, is because of structure here. This break of structure is what cost us, right? So once we get a full-blown break to the downside, then we'll get an elevation to run to the upside here, okay? Bitcoin continues to sell off of where we saw price last night. I called some sells in our private group. I said it's a good time to sell. I sold even more, and then I sold more. So currently we are in $2,000 points and more sells. I do believe that price is going to drop lower because we're breaking structure on the 4-hour. So I'm just waiting for that. I'm being patient. I still believe price is going to go to my 55K level. And most importantly, I believe my target of 44K will get hit. So I do expect that. All right, guys. Tomorrow morning I will be trading live and I'll see how everything goes. But other than that, I appreciate y'all. This will be a quick session and we will be trading live tomorrow. Talk to y'all soon.